Welcome to SMI Group, building the energy of the future from today. Established in 2007, SMI Group has taken its place in the sector as Turkey's leading flat steel and coil sheet processing center. With our short deadlines and high-quality approach, we always aim to offer the best to our customers. SMI Group is increasing its power day by day with an annual production capacity of 700 megawatts. We serve you with our dynamic workforce, production facilities equipped with Industry 4.0 technologies and flexible production systems. We continue to be a pioneer in the sector with our continuous development and R&D studies. SMI Group's core product range is wide. Land systems, roof systems, car parking systems, tracker systems, and agricultural systems. Each of them offers engineering marvelous solutions, enabling you to achieve the highest efficiency in your projects. Customer satisfaction is of utmost importance for us. For this reason, we make a difference in the sector with a customer satisfaction rate of 99.2%. With our annual production capacity of 24,000 tons and more than 17 years of experience, we serve you in a factory of 10,000 square meters, 6,000 square meters of which is the production facility. SMI Group is with you in your projects all around Turkey and the world. We have realized and continue to realize many successful projects worldwide with our innovative and reliable solutions. SMI Group, offering the energy solutions of the future with high quality and short deadlines, is strengthening its leading position in the sector day by day. As your reliable partner in the energy transition, we are proud to offer you the best solutions. Look to the future with confidence with SMI Group. We are here to serve you with our production facilities equipped with advanced technologies, our dynamic workforce, and our constantly developing R&D studies. SMI Group is the right address for the energy of the future. SMI Group is not only limited to Turkey, but also exports to 22 countries in 6 continents. This wide export network makes us proud of being a global brand.